Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see MCQ questions of soil mechanics chapter name index properties and its interrelationships. Here we have 13 questions of this chapter. So let's start. Question number 1. Porosity is defined as, the answer is VV upon capital V. VV means volume of voids upon total volume of soil sample. Next question. Void ratio is defined as, and the answer is VV upon VS, volume of voids upon volume of solids. Next question is, in over drying method of determination of water content, the sample is kept at which temperature of 24 hours, and the answer is 100 to 110 degrees Celsius. Question 4. Which method is used to determine of water content when specific gravity of soil solids is known in advance, and the answer is pycnometer method. Question 5. For fully dry soil, degree of saturation is, and the answer is 1. Question 6. For fully saturated soil, degree of saturation is, and the answer is 0. Question 7. Void ratio for soils is lies between, and the answer is 0 to 1. Question 8. Higher the specific gravity of soil particles, more blank is the particles, and the answer is denser is the particles. Question 9. Percentage air voids denoted as Na is defined as, and the answer is volume of air upon total volume, Va upon V. Question 10. Specific gravity of soil mass is the ratio of, and the answer is gamma S upon gamma W. Question 11. Air content is defined as, and the answer is Va upon Vv. Question 12. Write the density index formula, and the answer is Mx minus E upon Mx minus E minimum. Question 13. Generally for soil density index ID lies between, and the answer is 0 to 100 degree. Question 14. If the volume of voids is equal to the volume of soil solids, then the value of porosity and void ratio are respectively, and the answer is 0.5 and 1. Question 15. A dry soil sample weighing 100 gram has volume of 60 ml and specific gravity 2.5. Its void ratio is, and the answer is 0.5. Question 16. For a given soil mass, the void ratio is 0.60, water content is 80%, and specific gravity of the soil particles is 2.6. The degree of saturation of the soil is, and the answer is 78%. Question 17. Cohesionless soils are formed due to physical disintegration. Question 18. Which of the following gives the correct decreasing order of the densities of a soil sample? And the answer is first saturated, after that wet, after dry, and last submerged. The value of specific gravity for most of the soil lies around 2.68. Question 20. The ratio of unit weight of soil solids to that of water is called specific gravity. Question 21. The relation between void ratio E and porosity N is defined as N is equal to E by 1 plus E. There is another ratio of E is equal to N upon 1 minus N. Question 22. The relation between the air content and degree of saturation is, and the answer is AC is equal to AC is denoted as air content is equal to 1 minus SR. SR is denoted as degree of saturation. Next question is question 23. The approximate void ratio in sandy soil is 0.6. Question 24. The density of soil mass is expressed in, answer is kilogram per meter cube. It is the unit of density of soil mass. Question 25. The unit weight of soil mass is expressed in, and the answer is Newton per meter cube. It means your unit of soil mass unit is Newton per meter cube D. Question 26. There is a question regarding matching. There is a list 1. In list 1, soil test, A, water content, B, field density, C, shear strength, and D, specific gravity. And in another portion there is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is core cutter, 2 is picnometer bottle, C is calcium carbide box. Here we have to give the correct relation between ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4. And the correct answer is B. A, water content is found by calcium carbide method. Field density method is found by core cutter method. Shear strength is found by box shear test, and specific gravity is found by 2 picnometer bottle method. Question 27. A soil sample has void ratio of 0.5 and its porosity will be close to, and the answer is 33%. The void ratio and specific gravity of soil are 0.65 and 2.72 respectively. The degree of saturation in percent corresponding to water content of 20% is, and the answer is 83.7. Question 29. A soil sample has porosity of 20% and its void ratio will be close to, and the answer is 0.25. And the last question of this chapter, question 30. Sand replacement method is used to determine, and the answer is dry density. Here we have completed chapter 2, index properties of soil mechanics, 30 question. Thank you.